Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Easter 2026 statue in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the Easter cosmetics in this Easter update 2026, and if you want to get this statue, you need to complete the Easter achievement 2026. Let me show you how you can complete the achievement. I'm gonna go to the guide and I'm going to select achievement and select the mini achievement, and you will see Easter achievement right here, and you need to complete 17 quests, and I've already completed them all, so this is one of my reward, the Easter 2026 tattoo. And if you want to know the tips and tricks to complete the Easter Achievement 2026, guys, you can watch my previous video. I've already shared the tips and tricks there to complete this Easter Achievement 2026 faster. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Easter 2026 statue in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!